Hey everyone, welcome to my very first video on Code with David. My name is Kamsio and I love coding. This channel is all about learning HTML and CSS in the easiest and cutest way possible using Visual Studio Code. Today we're going to create our very first website together from scratch. If you've never coded before, if you're a complete beginner, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So now guys, we're on my screen. Please, before I continue, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out any of my future tutorials, and also turn on the notification bell. Okay, now first we have to make sure you have the Visual Studio Code installed. If not, you can download from the official website. Now this is the Visual Studio Code. This is where we write all our code. This is where all our codes are imputed. Now let's begin by creating a folder. For those that don't know how to create a folder, you right click, you go to new, and then you click on folder. You name your folder my first website. Yes, you name your folder my first website, and then if we open the folder with the Visual Studio Code, that's we right click, we click on open with code. So that is that. We'll create a new file obviously, and then first to create a new file, you click here, click on new file, and then you name the file index.html. Good, you name the file index.html, but I already have my own index.html, so we'll no need index.html. And then we'll begin with the basic HTML structure, and then there are two ways basically of doing the basic HTML structure. So, and these ways are like, first of all, we have to like type it, or we can just use the faster method. So the easiest way is pressing shift and 1 for your HTML structure. So when you click on shift and 1, let me show you. Shift and 1, press it, brings out the basic HTML structure. You can see it brings out the basic HTML structure so that you can input your code, and I'm going to explain everything. So I'll begin explaining them step by step. Now the doc type tells the browser that this is the HTML structure. That's this. Then the HTML is the root element of the code and the structure. Well, the head contains every information about the page, and then the body, this is where everything we send the website goes. Like, this is where the magic is done. Now let us add something inside the body tag. So we'll do this. Now say hello. Sorry, hello, I'm Hamsi. So through the power of editing, I shall finish the rest video. Let's see what our website looks like. So we'll right click, and then we click on open with live server. So look at that, we just created our first real website. It's simple right now, but in the next video we'll make it look extraordinary with CSS. So that's it for today's video. We successfully created our very first HTML website using only Visual Studio Code. If you followed along, comment down below. I mean my very first website. Also tell me what you want me to teach next. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more beginner tutorial, and turn on the notification bell. In the next video, we're going to make this website look much more attractive and pretty. using CSS. Bye.